Let us discuss the basic structure of our eye. Our eye looks like a ball, spherical ball. So it is known as eyeball. It is bulged at the front part of the eye. So the first part of the eye is sclera. It is the white, opaque, fibrous, tough protective outer layer of the eyeball. It protects interior components of the eye and maintains the shape of the eyeball. And the second part of the eye is cornea. The cornea is the transparent of the eye that covers the front portion of the eye. When light strikes the cornea, it bends or refracts the incoming light onto the lens. It acts like a window for the eye. The third part is iris. The colored part of the eye, which helps regulate the amount of light entering the eye. When there is a bright light, the iris closes the pupil to let in less light. And when there is a low light, the iris opens up the pupil to let in more light, focuses light rays onto the retina. And the fourth part is pupil. The pupil is a hole located in the center of the iris of the eye that allows light to strike the retina. It appears black because light rays entering the pupil are absorbed by the tissues inside the eye. And the next part is the lens, most important part. The lens is a transparent biconvex structure in the eye that, along with the cornea, helps to refract light to be focused onto the retina to form image of the object. And the part is aqueous humor. A gel-like fluid plays an essential role in the health of your eye, as well as nourishing the cornea and the lens by supplying nutrition such as amino acids and glucose. The aqueous humor will maintain intraocular pressure, transport vitamin C, the front segment, to act as an antioxidant agent. The another part is ciliary muscle. The ciliary muscle to which eye lens is attached helps the eye lens to change its focal length by changing the radii of curvature of the eye lens. And the most important one is the retina. The retina is the photosensitive tissue that covers approximately 65% of the interior surface of the eye. It works much like the film of a camera, like a screen. It takes the visual information transmitted by the beams of light of objects and converts that information into a neutral image that it then transmits to the brain through the optic nerve. The another part is virtuous humor. The virtuous humor is a clear fluid which fills the eye between the lens and the retina. This fluid helps the eye holds its perfect shape, with light being transmitted through it onto the retina. The final part of the eye is optic nerve. The optic nerve is located in the back of the eye. The job of the optic nerve is to transfer visual information from the retina to the vision center of the brain via electrical impulses. This is the basic structure of our eye.